Hi students, today we are discuss about the differences between assignment and transportation problem in operation research. Before that, I introduce myself. I am Dr. S. Saraswati, working as an assistant professor in PG Commerce, Sri Kalishwari College, Autonomous, Sivagasi. Before we know about the discussion, we should gain certain knowledge about the meaning or the introduction about the concept. First one is assignment problem. The assignment problem deals with assigning machines to tasks, workers to job. The goal is to determine optimum assignment, that is minimize the total cost and maximize the team effectiveness. Out of this, the key important terms are assigning machines to task, workers to job, to minimize the cost, maximize the effectiveness. Assignment problem refers to a special class of linear programming. It often used for minimizing the total cost. The important characteristics of assignment problem is only one job to one worker. There are two types of assignment problem: balanced assignment problem, unbalanced assignment problem. Often, the number of people or object to be assigned does not equal to the number of tasks, means it is called unbalanced problem. On that circumstances, simply we add either dummy column or dummy row to make a unbalanced assignment problem into a balanced assignment problem. In dummy row or dummy column, we assign 0 as a cell value to obtain the minimum cost. Then only we can able to solve the solution, get a solution. This one explain the mathematical formulation of assignment problem. The second one is transportation. Transportation is also one of a kind of special LPP problems in which goods are transported from a set of sources to set of destination, subject to supply and demand. It also used for minimizing the transportation cost. This slide clearly define S1, S2, S3 are the source 1, source 2, source 3. D1, D2, D3 are demand 1, demand 2, demand 3. We can able to make a route of 9 for supplying the source, supplying from source to destination. This slides explain the mathematical model of transportation problem. There are 3 methods, totally 5 methods: row minima method, column minima method, northwest corner method, least cost method, local approximation method to solve the initial basic transportation problem. To get a basic solution, these 5 models are used. Whereas to get an optimum solution, again 2 more methods is used. The first one is Modigliani-Miller approach, that is Modi method or UV method. Now we come to the main topic of differences between the assignment problem and the transportation problem. First one, objective. The objective of assignment problem is to assign the task to agent to minimize the cost or time. Whereas in case of transportation problem, to supply or transport the good from source to destination, through which we can minimize the cost. The second one is structure. The assignment problem always be in a square shape, which means square matrix. Same number of jobs, same number of agent. Whereas transportation model, the source will not be equivalent to destination possibilities. It can be a rectangular matrix also. It need not to be a square matrix always. The third one is supply and demand. For each row, there should be each column. whereas in case of transportation problem, it's not necessary. Supply and demand can be a non-negative value also. Methods used. In assignment problem, we can use a Hungarian method, whereas in case of transportation problem, as previous slide explained, northwest corner method, least cost method, local approximation method, row minima method, column minima method is used for find out the solution for transportation problem. Then solution type, one-to-one assignment, whereas in case of transportation, many-to-many assignment. Application example, assigning workers to machine, whereas in case of transportation, goods from factory to warehouse or goods from warehouse to selling places. Thank you, students.